The key to NYC Pass will be a first-in-the-nation approach. It will require vaccination for workers and customers in indoor dining, in indoor fitness facilities, indoor entertainment facilities. This is going to be a requirement. The only way to patronize these establishments indoors will be if you're vaccinated, at least one dose. The same for folks in terms of work. They'll need at least one dose. This is crucial because we know that this will encourage a lot more vaccination. We've seen it already. We've seen the impact of the mandate we've put in place for city workers already starting to move people to vaccination. We've obviously seen the positive impact of incentive as well. The goal here is to convince everyone that this is the time. If we're going to stop the Delta variant, the time is now, and that means getting vaccinated right now. So today I announce a new approach, which we're calling the Key to NYC Pass. The key to New York City. When you hear those words, I want you to imagine the notion that because someone's vaccinated, they can do all the amazing things that are available in this city. This is a miraculous place, literally full of wonders. And if you're vaccinated, all that's going to open up to you. You'll have the key, you can open the door. But if you're unvaccinated, unfortunately, you will not be able to participate in many things. That's the point we're trying to get across. It's time for people to see vaccination as literally necessary to living a good and full and healthy life.
To me, it's the easiest way to go. It keeps us safe. It brings us together again for us to, do things together. I think it should be a basic requirement because human beings are very difficult to manage. So the only way to go about this is to make these people understand in a polite way that they need to get the vaccine, and making it a requirement to go to some places, I think is good. And that will help us to bring in other people who are not vaccinated to get the vaccine so that we can get back to normal.
I think that if you want to be vaccinated, you have that right to be vaccinated. You also have the right not to be vaccinated. It should be your personal choice. I personally am vaccinated, but I don't think I have a right to tell anyone else that they should or should not be vaccinated. And it, in my opinion, is the same thing as abortion. So you don't have a right to tell someone whether or not they can or cannot have one. So you shouldn't be able to tell someone whether they should or should not have to get the vaccination.
I think he is 100% right on that one. I mean, we all just have to be secure, Remember, like a year ago, I was scared to come outside, so vaccination is very important.
I think they should show proof of vaccination because I feel like that could help the cases go down, you feel me? Because you don't want to get engaged with somebody that has it, you feel me? That's it.
Well, on the one hand, I don't like it, but I do think that the public health is more important than anything else. And whatever we have to do to have our old life back, where we can go everywhere we want to go and do what we want to do, I think we should just buckle down and do it. Get it over with. That's just my opinion.